Researchers are studying lichens growing on trees in a forest ecosystem. At the beginning of the study, the researchers identified 12 lichen species in the forest. Later, a forest fire happened in the study area. The researchers returned to the area and found only 6 lichen species. Which inference is best supported from the researchers' observations? A. Most lichen species are unaffected by forest fire. B. The biodiversity in a forest increases after a fire. C. Certain lichen species are better adapted to survive forest fires than others. Or D. Forest fires will permanently remove certain species from the ecosystem. 36. The diagrams show forces acting on a toy car as it moves to the right. Which diagram shows the toy car that will most likely accelerate to the right based on these conditions? (37) A river area is shown on the topographic map. 4 riverbank areas are labeled on the map. Which 2 riverbank areas are the steepest? A, W and X, B, Y and Z, C, X and Y, or D, W and Z. (38) The diagram shows a model of an atom. The model has 4 different symbols on it. Each symbol represents a different role for one of the particles within the atom. In this model, which particle determines the reactivity of this atom? 39. Which statement best describes a galaxy? A cloud of gas that is the birthplace of stars. B, a system of billions of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity. C, a ball of plasma that experiences nuclear fusion in its core. Or D, a mass of dust and ice that orbits a star in an elliptical pattern. 40. An environmental change drastically reduced the population of milkweed plants in an area. The milkweed plants provide the only source of food for a nearby population of monarch butterfly caterpillars. Which statement describes the most likely effect of this environmental change on this population of monarch butterflies? F, the number of monarch butterflies will decrease because their caterpillars will not have enough food. G, the number of monarch butterflies will stay the same because butterflies reproduce so rapidly, their populations can withstand most food shortages. H, the number of monarch butterflies will stay the same because their caterpillars will begin consuming nectar from different types of flowers. Or J, the number of monarch butterflies will increase because their reproduction rate will increase to ensure some individuals survive.